Hello beautiful people, I'm Hui from SPJ Quill. Welcome back to my channel. Joy. Birthdays are always one of the best occasions to send a loved one gifts. Fun fact, each month provides a unique and meaningful birth flower that can make the perfect birthday gift. If you are planning to do a card, why not consider to include a flower quilling that represents their birth month? I bet the recipient who receives it will feel extra special. During the month of November, for those who are born, Chrysanthemum holds its place as the birth month flower. Chrysanthemum have many different meanings thanks to how many colors varieties there are. In modern days, yellow chrysanthemum meaning are symbols of joy and peace. In this video, I'll be doing step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process. Without further ado, let's begin. So remember to subscribe my channel, please, and hit the bell button to be the first to get notified when a new video pops up. If you like this video, hit the like button for encouragement. Thank you. Let's start with chrysanthemum. I like to sketch out before I start quilling, just to have a clear idea on how the design will look like. Since chrysanthemum birth flower are associated with long age, happiness, joy and new beings, chrysanthemum make the perfect birthday gift. Plus, it is the November birth flower, so people with November birthdays are perfect to be gifted with this flower. Then, I will decide on my color scheme. This time my main color will be yellow. In this tutorial, all we need is a quilling comb. Tie a knot, then go around 7 pins to create the petal. You can go around more pins to create longer or larger flower petal. It's up to you. This tutorial for chrysanthemum is actually quite easy. You can click on the top right corner link to check out the playlist of birth flower tutorial videos that I did for the other months. Make several of them, then we are almost done. Now quill a tight coil to make the flower bud. And use a strip to cut some tassel. Join them together and we got our chrysanthemum flower bud. Now glue the parts together. Small tips: place them on a corkboard facing the center of the hole before gluing them to form a natural curved shape. Now let's quill the leaves. We are using a quilling comb as well. Now we have all the parts ready, then it's time to assemble them together. Rearrange them, and when you're happy with the results, glue them together and you're done! So we are done with this month's bird flower quilling tutorial. How is it? You can tag me on Instagram or Facebook to show me your version of artwork. Can't wait to see it! We still have some months of bird flower quilling tutorial left. No worries, because I will be splitting the video, so stay tuned. Now how the happy time flies, now it's time to say goodbye.